Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW M4 Old versus new. We'll dive into the key differences that set these generations apart, from their powerful engines to their striking aesthetics. You'll discover how BMW has evolved the M4's performance, design, and technology. Get ready for a detailed look at what makes each model unique and exciting. Let's explore the evolution of this iconic sports coupe. Under the hood, the newer M4 models deliver a substantial boost in power, often exceeding 500 horsepower. This translates to a noticeable increase in torque, typically around 70 foot-pounds more than previous versions. These enhancements result in quicker acceleration, shaving precious tenths of a second off the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint. It's a thrilling upgrade for any driving enthusiast. Visually, the most striking change is the new M4's distinctive, larger kidney grille, a bold statement that sets it apart. Inside, the cabin receives significant upgrades, including a 3-inch digital instrument cluster and a larger infotainment screen. You'll also find more advanced driver assistance systems, enhancing both safety and convenience. These updates create a more modern and engaging driving environment. When it comes to driving dynamics, the newer M4 benefits from refined chassis tuning, offering a more balanced blend of handling prowess and everyday ride comfort. The steering feel is also more precise, providing better feedback to the driver for a truly engaging experience. Both generations offer incredible performance, but the newer model pushes the boundaries further. Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.